time for almost 6 years now.
Those traders found duality to be the most accurate pip-crushing strategy ever developed, bar none. And I've got some very exciting news for you. As part of our 10-year celebration and in demonstration of our continued commitment to your success, we prepared some of our most in-demand resources to give traders of all skill levels the tools they need to make the Forex dream a reality. We call it the Magnus Compendium. Obviously, the $100 million Forex duality system is the most important component. That includes the strategy training and the automated dashboard. That's a given. And that would be fine in and of itself, and the $997 price tag would be more than fair. But this is our 10-year anniversary. We got the whole team together. We decided that in order to make this a truly epic event, we'd have to offer the best of the best and cover every possibility so that beginners and professional traders alike would be on even ground. And we need to do it all for a next to giving it away price. New traders like Matt Hallquist, who made $1,155 profit his first day trading duality. Professional traders like Henry Martins, who gained 72% profit his first month trading duality. That's why we've included exclusive member-only access to our beginners trading course. This comprehensive introduction to Forex trading will give new traders much needed knowledge and insight into how trading works and basic strategies. You'll learn how to manage your trades like a pro no matter what your experience. Similar courses sell online for $100 or more, but today, for our 10-year anniversary celebration, we're including the entire beginner course in the Magnus Compendium. Now, beginners and professional traders who want to stay up on the latest in Forex, we're including access to our VIP Inner Circle webinars. This includes topics on everything from relevant news and events to expert strategies and money management advice. Every single trader on the planet can benefit from the knowledge shared in these exclusive and intimate talks. Access to those webinars is sold online separately for $275. But let me ask you something. Besides training, besides video webinars filled with hours of helpful tips, what one thing would help take your trading to the next level? How about a real flesh and blood trader taking a look at your trading account? We're going to give you a free session with one of our level 2 Forex auditors. That's normally a $197 add-on, but for this 10-year anniversary celebration, you don't pay a single penny. You get the same level of expert advice, you get the same friendly service with a smile, and more importantly, you get a real trader answering your questions. And I don't know about you, but my trading took off the moment I started talking to a mentor. I took courses, I read books, but the biggest jump for me was when I started talking to a professional trader who could tell me firsthand, what I needed to know. Imagine having a professional trader on Skype ready to help turn your trading around. Do you think you'd benefit from that type of advantage? I think so. And as if that wasn't enough, because it is, the whole team here at Tradeology was adamant that we celebrate not only this new, exciting, and fresh look at trading with Forex duality, but we also want to celebrate the many winning systems that we've had privilege to award over the years. So you're going to have access to 3 previous winning strategies: Forex Master Method Evolution, Forex Wealth Strategy, and Forex Equinox, which some of you know dealt a devastating blow to brokers everywhere when it was first released. Now, if you really want to be an expert trader, this treasure trove of systems brings to the table years of development, testing, and trading with proven winners and proven results. Learning these strategies would turn even a beginner trader into an overnight pip reaper. Now, if you want, you can go buy access to this library for almost $3,000 like everybody else. But if you give me just a few more minutes, you'll see how to get every single one of those strategies and more for free as part of the Magnus Compendium. Our motto, our very purpose for existing, revolves around 3 key elements. And these 3 things separate us from the garbage advice that's prominent on the net today. And those 3 things are that we provide real trading tools that do what they say. We provide a real discussion about how to use those tools most effectively. and that the tools and discussions we provide produce real results for any trader, regardless of experience. So along with Forex Duality, along with the beginner's trading course, the exclusive webinars, and the level 2 Forex auditor consultation, along with access to 3 proven award-winning systems, you'll also get our deluxe support package, which goes above and beyond our standard support. You get priority assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you have trouble on the website, if you don't understand what the next step is, if you just need somebody to walk you from point A to point B, priority support is just a quick email away. This deluxe support package is normally a $297 upgrade, but with our 10-year anniversary celebration, it's going to be included in your Magnus Compendium, but we've got some even more amazing news. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to reset and reprogram your brain for trading? Think about what you have to go through as a trader, okay? Watching hours of tutorial videos, reading stacks of articles, staring at charts for hours on end. Let's face it, information overload is a very real threat to new traders and seasoned professionals. A study done by the Max Planck Institute of Human Cognitive and Brain Sciences provided key insight into the development of a meditation formula that will not only do a reset on your mind, relieving all the tension that we experience as traders, it also rewires your brain to think like a Forex trader. That formula has gone into these meditation recordings, and they plug directly into your brain's own gamma waves, freeing up your subconscious for effortless information processing and liberating your decision-making faculties. It helps you think better. We've previously sold these recordings for $100 as an exclusive limited time offer, but I can't stress enough that the actual value is many times that. Use these recordings for just 1 week and watch your trading soar like never before. And once you have that freed up brain power, you'll have a fresh outlook on trading and can take advantage of the more powerful bonuses we've saved for last. 3 distinctly different trading systems so that you have every possible angle covered. First, there's the FX market code. This strategy focuses hard on momentum-based trading and will hand you trades with crystal clear signals. Picture this, you're at your desk with charts open, okay? You're focused on a single window, watching for that perfect opportunity to strike, when suddenly you get an alert from another window, and FX market code has determined a trend, it's tracked its momentum, and now it shows you an entry signal so strong it almost blinds you. Momentum trading can be highly lucrative, but in spite of that, you'll get this $250 secret code as a free bonus in the Magnus Compendium. Traders need variety. They need the right tool for the present situation. A friend of mine asked me last week why I have so many monitors and so many charts open at the same time. He said, how can you possibly keep up with what's happening on all these? I explained to him that different strategies work in different situations, and that, a well-rounded trader needs to see the entire picture, and they need the right tool for the job at hand. My friend was in the Navy, so I reminded him, even battleships, they've got those huge artillery guns capable of highly accurate shots, even at great distance. But you can't use those same guns if the enemy is already alongside the ship. And that made perfect sense to him, right? You need a strategy for every scenario. So we've included the double helix system. This powerful trading strategy uses 2 easy-to-read indicators that come pre-installed on every trading platform. They're the relative strength index and the moving averages indicator. You're going to spot overbought and oversold conditions like an eagle spotting a trout and just swoop in and take the trade. It's well worth the $250 price tag, but you're going to get it for free as part of the Magnus Compendium. Hit your targets consistently and accurately with the Cogmaster strategy. This award-winning system, beat out thousands of competitors with a 100.67% gain in the live trading round. Yes, it's included at no cost to you. And speaking of hitting targets, we've also included the critically acclaimed FIBO vector system. To compete with the big banks, you don't need a huge database with a room full of computers to crunch numbers. The Fibovector system is tailored for rapid results in any market condition. Trade any pair, any session with a simple strategy that's engineered by a full-time professional trader. Thousands of copies have previously sold for $500, but through a very exclusive arrangement, this proven winner is our gift to you as part of the Magnus Compendium, bringing the total value of this colossal arsenal at your fingertips to command, worth over $5,700. But I've got even more news, because inside the members area, you're going to find even more surprise bonuses. I've given one of my assistants the full-time task of tracking down valuable surprise add-ons that didn't make it into this video because of our 10th anniversary deadline, meaning you're going to log in and see even more than what you see here. Guys, I had to interrupt and insert this in the video at the last minute. My assistant was able to secure 3 additional bonuses, and they're just too good to ignore. You're now getting an additional $600 in value, bringing the total to over $6,300 now. The Magnus Compendium, as of right now, also includes the Elliott Wave Profit. I'm so excited to be able to include this powerfully accurate tool, letting you get Elliott Wave performance without having to spend weeks learning it. That's a $250 value right there. And I don't know how she pulled this one off, but you'll also get access to hidden money levels, a $250 value. This system, it's a system and a report, can unlock profit potential you didn't even know existed. And we're also adding Line Trader. Guys, this little tool is going to be your next best friend. If you've got to step away from your computer for a little bit, but you don't want to miss out on, what looks like a killer opportunity, just draw a line on your chart with Line Trader. When it hits that line, it'll either take the trade for you or it'll send you an alert. Very cool time saver, a $100 value. So terrific bonuses, guys. A shout out to Grace for being able to lock those in. Let's get back to the video. And as you can see, they're not inflated values. If we're anything here at Tradeology, it's upfront and forthright. We don't need to pad our value, and we don't need to brag. Our members do that for us. Traders like John Strazu, who improved his trading tenfold. And beginner trader Tara Chanty, who took 250 pips in one session. The Magnus Compendium includes everything you see here for an already low price of just $9.97. But because it's our 10-year anniversary, you're not going to pay $9.97 when you order today. We know what you want. You want to be educated in Forex. You want to be a master trader. You want resources that'll not only take you to the next level, but take you clear to the top. Now, if you wanted to get an MBA online, listen, you'd pay $35,000 as a minimum and no guarantee of a career. With the Magnus Compendium, you're getting access to trading courses, continued education, mentorship that essentially will give you an MBA in Forex. This isn't some one-off system or a simple tutorial on trading. It isn't a trading bot. These lessons, these strategies, they're provided by world-class professional traders. And with the Magnus Compendium, you're getting deluxe support from an award-winning team plus a personal evaluation from a real trading professional. If you're struggling in your trading, this could give you the jump start you need to take your trading to the next level and beyond, and that's a promise. Like I mentioned earlier, confidence is the key. Trading with confidence is exhilarating, and the Tradeology team wants you to experience that rush firsthand. Now, while it would be great to be able to provide this package to an unlimited number of traders, that's just not practical. So if the button below is still active, you still have an opportunity to seize your 10-year anniversary discount of only $4.99. Our 128-bit SSL encrypted certificate means your purchase is protected and your personal details are secure from hackers. Buy with confidence, knowing your privacy is our top priority. Get the Magnus Compendium, including forexduality, the beginner's trading course, the webinar library, Equinox, Wealth Strategy, Evolution, the FX Market Code, Double Helix, Cogmaster, deluxe support, and the live trader consultation, all in a never-before-seen, never-offered-again bundle for less than half the regular price. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Are you ready to become a rock star trader? Click the button below. Don't hesitate another minute, because with an offer this amazing, that button could vanish any second. Everything your trading career needs is included in the Magnus Compendium, and all you have to do to get it is click the button. Think about the last awesome trade you took in a demo account. Remember how bad it felt knowing what you missed out on? If you're not trading with Forex Duality, you might as well be trading with a demo account. With Tradeology by your side, the Forex dream could become your reality, and it all starts with that button. All you have to do is click the button.